Kitty, are you smart? Are you a smart little fuck? That's my boy. Come here. Come here, you got the door open. Come here, baby. It's okay. Come in. Okay, I'm shutting it. Come on. It's okay. Come here. He's a good boy. That's a good boy. You did a good job. Give me money. Look at that baby. Look at that smart baby boy. Look at him. Look at smart. Look at my smart boy. Look at him. Look at everybody. This is my kitty. This is Billy Kitty. Idol. Well, Billy Idol. Whatever. Look at him. Look at him. Hey. I love you. It's your boo-boo. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. You want a treat? Do you get a treat? Does my Billy Idol Kitty get a treat? Get a treat. I'm so excited. He's a good boy. He's like, what the fuck? It's just like it's a normal thing for him, like us, you know? That's a good boy, though. It's your boo-boo. It's your boo-boo. Yeah, I would leave too. That's annoying shit. No, we're not gonna play at the shower. Are you? Nah, what the fuck? No, let go. Do you even know? He's like, whoa, this is kind of fun. Whoa, whoa. Like on Lego Batman. Whoa. Oh my god. Are you okay? Aw. Did you learn your lesson? Good boy. Good boy. It's a boo-boo. You ready? Oh, wait. Sorry. I'm gonna fix that better. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? No, hey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ready? Sit. 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 You're going to speak. Yeah, she's on speak. Sit. There you go. Now speak. Hey. Oh, he did it. He got it right. He got it semi right. Okay, sit down. No. Sit. Hey. It's right here. Sit down. Oh, he cried. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Okay, one more time. Come on. I'm so proud of you. You're such a baby. I love you. I love you. Oh, you give mommy a kiss. Ready? No? What the hell? Come here. Give me a kissy. Give me a kissy. Yes. He's such a good boy. Yeah. Look at that boy.